been told a beautiful story that Earth is our mother, a gentle cradle of life. But what if that entire idea is dead wrong? Because the truth is this: Earth didn't nurture life. Life conquered Earth. Picture our planet 4 billion years ago. No blue oceans. No soft skies. Just a black, burning hellscape of molten rock. A planet where life shouldn't just struggle. It shouldn't even exist. And yet, something showed up. Not giants, not monsters, but tiny blue bacteria, cyanobacteria. Smaller than a strand of your hair, yet powerful enough to rewrite the entire planet. These microbes launched the first planet-wide chemical war. They sucked carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and released oxygen, a gas that, at that time, was pure poison. And oxygen didn't quietly blend in. It killed almost everything. 99% of life went extinct. The oceans rusted red. The skies changed. The surface minerals transformed. 2/3 of the minerals we have on Earth today, from iron ore to ancient stones, exist because of this biological war. Life didn't adapt to Earth. Life forced Earth to adapt to it. But the plot twist gets even crazier. Fast forward to 365 million years ago. A new invader crawls onto land. Trees. Yeah, those quiet, peaceful forests you hike through today. Back then, they were planet-level disruptors. Trees invented a super material called lignin. Tough, durable, impossible for early bacteria to break down. So when ancient forests died, they didn't rot. They just piled up, and as they piled up, they locked away staggering amounts of carbon. Carbon dioxide levels crashed by over 80%. Earth lost its natural blanket, and temperatures plummeted. Suddenly, the planet froze. Oceans turned to ice vaults. Nearly 85% of marine species vanished. Forests, yes, forests, almost froze Earth to death. This isn't peaceful nature. This is an ecosystem in a knife fight with itself. But here's the wild part: that chaos unlocked Earth's greatest power. Ever wondered why Earth has plate tectonics, while Mars and Venus don't? A groundbreaking theory says, because Earth had life, when microbes died in the oceans, their calcium-rich bodies settled into the seafloor, helping create wet, slippery rocks. Those rocks sank into the mantle, bringing water deep into the planet. Water lowered the melting point of mantle rock, letting magma move, letting plates shift, letting volcanoes erupt, and keeping Earth's magnetic field alive. No plates, no magnetic field? Solar wind strips the atmosphere. Welcome to Mars. Mars didn't die because it was unlucky. It died because it didn't have life strong enough to keep the planet alive. And Earth? It's never been gentle with us either. In the last 500 million years, this planet has hit reset at least 5 times. Mass extinctions, volcanic winters, asteroid strikes. It erased 98% of life once. It wiped out the dinosaurs without hesitation. We worry about humans destroying Earth. Earth has survived events that make nuclear weapons look like firecrackers. So the real question isn't whether Earth needs us. It's whether we understand what we truly are. Life is the only thing in the universe that pushes back against entropy. Everything else, stars, planets, galaxies, is falling apart in slow motion. But life builds order. Blue bacteria rebuilt the sky. Forests redesigned the climate. And humans? We've turned sand and silicon into a digital nervous system. We are Earth's most troublesome tenants. But we're also the only ones who can tell Earth's story. So next time you look up at the stars, don't just marvel at the universe. Look down at the ground under your feet Every grain, every rock, every mineral is a fossil memory of ancient wars between life and planet. Look at a glass of water. The hydrogen inside it is 13.8 billion years old. Born in the Big Bang, the oxygen came from a dying star that exploded long before Earth existed. And today, that cosmic cocktail flows through your veins. So ask yourself, did Earth create us? Or did we reshape Earth? The answer is neither. We met halfway. Life and planet, locked in a 4 billion-year dance full of violence, creation, destruction, rebirth. And from that chaos came a miracle we call home. A home fragile enough to collapse, yet strong enough to survive fire, ice, and extinction. And in this vast, silent universe,